How to fix Telegram nearby people not showing. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the auto sync in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type Telegram. Now click on search. Now tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now tap on app management and search for Telegram. Now find Telegram, tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear cache and go back. Now tap on permissions. Now scroll down. Now find nearby devices. Now give it the permissions. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.